Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Connecteam for beginners. Start by opening your web browser. You can use any browser you like such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Go to the official website of Connecteam. Now look for a button that says Start Free Trial or Start for Free. This button is usually placed at the top right or somewhere in the center of the page. Click on that button to begin creating your account. You will now see a sign up form. Begin by entering your first name in the first field. Then type your last name in the next field. After that, enter your business email address. Make sure it is an email you can access easily because you may need to verify it later. Then create a password. Try to make it secure by using a mix of letters and numbers so your account stays protected. After filling in these details, click on Continue. Now you will move to the next step where you need to enter your company details. Type in your company name and then add your company address. This may include your street, city, and postal code. Entering correct information here helps the platform personalize your workspace. Below that, you will be asked about your role in the company. Select the option that matches your position. This could be owner, manager, HR, or administrator. This helps the system understand how you plan to use the platform and may adjust suggestions based on your role. After that, continue to the next step. Now you will see a question asking how many employees you have. Choose the option that fits your company size. This step is important because some features and recommendations may depend on the size of your team. Under that, you will see another question asking about your business industry. There will be several options listed such as retail, construction, healthcare, and more. If you do not find your exact industry, click on Other Industries and select the closest one available. This helps the system tailor certain tools and templates to your needs. Next, enter how many branches your company has. If your business operates from only one location, simply select one. If you have multiple locations, choose the correct number. This helps organize your company structure inside the platform. Now the system will ask you to select features for your app. This is one of the most important steps, because it defines how you will use the platform. You will see options like time clock, schedule, chats, tasks, forms, and more. The time clock feature is used to track employee working hours. The schedule feature allows you to assign shifts and manage availability. Chats help you communicate with your team instantly. Tasks help you assign and track work. If you are unsure about which features to choose, you can select all of them. This gives you access to everything, and you can later remove anything you do not need. Once you have selected your features, click Continue. After that, you will be asked to add your company website and logo. If your business has a website, enter the link in the field. This helps create a more professional setup. You can also upload your company logo by selecting a file from your computer or device. If you do not have these, simply click on Skip this step and move forward. Next, enter your mobile number. Make sure the number is correct because you may receive a verification message. After entering your number, click on Access Dashboard. Now your account will be created and you will be signed in. As soon as you log in, you may see a tutorial video appear on your screen. This video gives you an overview of how the platform works. It explains the main features and how to navigate the interface. If you are new, it is helpful to watch this video so you can understand the basics. If you prefer to explore on your own, you can skip it. Once you finish or skip the tutorial, you will land on the overview page. This is your main dashboard where you can see everything at a glance. At the top, you will notice quick actions. These include options like Add User, Add Admin, Add a Task, or Send an Update. These buttons are designed to save time. Instead of going into different sections, you can perform common actions directly from here. For example, if you want to quickly add a new employee, just click Add User and fill in their details. If you want to assign a task, click Add Task and enter the instructions. These shortcuts are very useful when managing daily operations. Now look at the left side of the screen. You will see a menu with different sections. Click on the Activity section. This section helps you track everything happening in your workspace. Inside this section, you will find the activity log. This shows a record of actions taken by users, such as clocking in, sending messages, or completing tasks. You will also see activity analytics. This provides insights into how your team is using the platform. It may show patterns like how often employees log in or complete tasks. This information can help you understand productivity and make better decisions. There is also a sales and labor section. This is useful for tracking performance and working hours. You can compare labor costs with sales data if your business requires it. This helps you manage resources more effectively. Next, click on the User section. This is where you manage all the people in your workspace. At the top, you will see how many users are currently active. To add new users, click on the Add Users button. You will see multiple ways to invite users. One option is to copy a link and send it to your employees. They can click the link and join your workspace. Another option is to generate a QR code. Employees can scan the code using their phone to join quickly. If you prefer manual entry, click on Add Manually, then enter the user's name and phone number. You may also be able to assign roles or groups at this stage. After entering the details, save the user. This method is useful if you want full control over user setup. Now move to the Smart Group section. This feature allows you to organize users into groups. For example, you can create groups based on departments like sales, support, or management. You can also create groups based on locations if your business has multiple branches. Smart Groups make it easier to assign tasks and messages and manage schedules. Instead of selecting each user one by one, you can select a group and apply actions to everyone in that group. This saves time and keeps things organized. Next, click on the Automation section. This section is very powerful because it helps you automate repetitive tasks. For example, you can create an automation that sends a message when an employee finishes their shift. You can also create rules that update user roles after a certain period. To create an automation, choose a trigger and then define an action. A trigger is an event, such as clocking out. An action is what happens after the event, such as sending a message. Setting up automations can reduce manual work and improve efficiency. Now go to the Communication section. This section includes several tools that help you stay connected with your team. The chat feature allows you to send direct messages or group messages. You can share updates quickly and keep conversations organized. The Updates feature is useful for announcements. You can post updates that all employees can see. This is helpful for sharing important news or instructions. You can also add more fields to updates by clicking on Add New and selecting additional options. The directory shows a list of all users and their details. This makes it easy to find contact information. The Events feature allows you to schedule meetings or important dates. The Knowledge Base is where you can store important documents and information for your team. Next, move to the Operations section. This section includes tools like Time Clock, Forms, Schedule, and Quick Tasks. The Time Clock allows employees to clock in and out of their shifts. You can track their working hours and monitor attendance. Forms can be used to collect data from employees. For example, you can create a form for daily reports or feedback. The Schedule feature helps you assign shifts and manage availability. You can create schedules for days or weeks in advance. Quick Tasks allow you to assign simple tasks to employees. These tasks can be completed quickly and marked as done. This helps keep track of small but important activities. Now go to the HR and Services section. This section includes tools for managing employee-related activities. The Time Off feature allows employees to request leave. You can approve or reject requests easily. The Documents feature lets you store important files such as contracts or policies. Onboarding helps you train new employees by providing them with necessary information. The Hiring feature helps you manage job applications. There are also features like celebrations and rewards. These can be used to recognize employee achievements and improve team morale. You can add more tools to this section by clicking on Add New. You can even create a completely new section by clicking on Add New Section. Give it a name and add the tools you need. This allows you to customize the platform based on your workflow. Now look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see several options. One option allows you to talk with an expert. This is helpful if you need guidance or have questions. Next to that is the Accessibility option. Click on it to customize your interface. You can change colors, adjust text size, and enable tools like a magnifier. You can also use readable fonts and image descriptions. These options make the platform easier to use for different users. There's also a Help section. You can use it to find answers to common questions or contact support. Next, click on the Chats icon at the top. Here you will see all your conversations. You can open any chat and send messages to your team. Right next to it is the Notifications section. This shows alerts and updates. It helps you stay informed about important changes in real time. Now click on your profile icon. From here, you can view the platform as a user. This allows you to see how your employees experience the app. You can also adjust the layout for users to make it simple and easy to use. Click on your profile again and select Settings. In this section, you can update your personal information such as name, email, and password. Make any changes and save them. On the left side of the settings page, you will find more options. You can update your company logo, manage admin permissions, view company information, and check billing details. Spend some time exploring these settings to fully customize your workspace. This completes the full tutorial on how to get started and use the platform for beginners. Thanks for watching.